Okay, so I got it back on. I just remembered something. If that's perfect. Okay, no problem. Then we have to face that direction, and we're going. We will do the forward command. So right, and we can just paste this in here and do the opposite. So that will be the 3, and then do that. All right. So let's see if it works. It doesn't. Why not? Forward, phase 1. Use T. Okay. Why is it not working? I don't know actually. We know this works, so if we comment this out and do phase 1 and forward 2 times, that doesn't actually. Few. It's because it's out of view. Okay. Code block. We can actually make a checker for that, so it will be in full view. Okay. So let's uncomment this and remove this, and let's try again and do this. So it's going to go there. So T, and it works. Nice. We can also make it go over here. What about this block? So 245. So 245, and we have to update the position because we haven't made a save function yet. Save the position yet. So 250 is the x coordinate, and the y is still 64 and 1 negative, and we are facing east. So let's see if it works. Hey, brilliant. Now we just need to make the z direction and the y. So it's basically copy pasta. Let's see. Go to Z and C and C. Let's see. Haha. If our position is less than the target, so if we're standing here and we want to go this way, then it's actually less than, so we have to face 0. So face 0, and then this will be face 2. And if our position is greater than the target, no wait, am I making a mistake now? If our position is greater than the target position, so yeah, then it will be in reverse then. Alright, because now we are increasing. Yeah. Okay. So we have to do 2 here and 0 here. So if we go to C and we're going to this position, and this is -141. Let's see if it works. Oh. What? Okay. Okay, I made a mistake. Is it there yet? 141. I should have been. Okay. Let's see what the error was. So maybe it has to do. Oh, because we said it was facing that way. So okay, go back 10 units. Go back again and left turn. All right. Let's see if it works now. See? Okay, it's actually, what is it doing? See. Phase 2 and phase 0. Okay, I must have made a mistake with this. No. With phase. So if you're facing 1 and we want to go to south, then turn right. Yeah, that should be right. And if we want to go to north, turn left. Okay, let's try all the directions. So phase 0, and remember we are facing 1 right now, so it's just turn left. We actually have to make it face left, so let's do that. So go right turn. No, wrong direction. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so that's working. Let's do phase 1. Let's see if it does anything. Good. Phase 2. It works. And phase 3. Oops. That's also working. Good. So do a left turn and check for this angle. And now we're facing 2 and we want to go to 3, so it should do a right turn. 2 times actually. Okay, so we have a mistake there. Okay, so if it's facing 2 and it should go to 3, right? Then why does it do that? Oh, this is a mistake actually. So change this to 0. 1 3 3 1. All right. So T. Now it works. Good. Whoops. Okay, let's say north 2 times. Good. And east. Alright, I think it's working now. So let's try it again. So right now our position is this, and X, Y, and Z. So 245, 64, and -148. So let's go to X and let's go to Z. So let's go over here, right here. So this is 250 and -140. Let's see. Good. Now we just need the go to Y. We can copy this and go to Y. If our Y position is less than a target, then we have to go up, and if our Y position is greater than the target, we have to go down. So down. So this is working now. Let's see if it can go up here. So we're going to type in 245, negative 139, and this is 66. I have to update this as well. Alright, so we are, oops, let's see. So this is 250 and 64 and negative 140, and we are facing south, so that's 2, and let's see. So T. Yeah. Good. So it's working now, we actually finished. That didn't take so long. Now we can just make the GoTo program, the function, and do a target, and this will be an array. So GoTo. Let's see if we want to. We can actually make a save GoTo. I don't know yet. Let's go to the Y position first. No, let's go to the X position first. So target dot X and go to target dot C and go to the Y position. Alright, then we can just go to, and in these we type in, let's say it should go over here again. So 250, and this is 64, and C is negative 140, and remember we have to update the position. So its position is this. There would be 245 and 66 and negative 139, and it's facing south. Good. Let's try it again. See? Alright, we're actually done now, but we can advance it so it can check for fuel, update the position, store it, and other stuff. So yeah, we can also store this as a variable. So we can do a home location. Let's just say 240 and Y is 65 and the Z coordinate is negative 144, and we can actually also do a drop-off location. So let's just say that this is at 30 and 4 and this. Alright, so we can actually do go to home location, and then we can go to the drop-off location, and we can go home again. And remember, we need to update the position. So let's see, it's 250 and Y is 64, and this is negative 140, and we're facing 0. Good. And T. So now it's going home. Let's see wherever that is. Alright, so this is home. And now it's going to the drop-off location over here. And right here, and then it's going back. Good. Alright. Watch more in the next video. I'm going to expand the program. Alright, goodbye.